Good evening. It's July 12th, 2022, and another live stream. We are going to finish up, I hope, some file uploading. It took way too long already, but I think we came a long way, and only need to fix some things and debug. Let's start the show. Bad things happened today. My drive was not starting just before the stream, so that was not good. But after some scanning and rebooting, it came back, and here we are. Let's go to the code window. So let's start Fish Studio there. Not Blazor adding. Software, softest and software, I think that's the one. One from the website. There is an update available for Fish Studio, as you can see, as you just could see a minute ago. 17.3.0 preview 3, and I looked at the details, but there's only some stuff going on for Teams, nothing else. So I think only the Teams team put some effort in there. Well, maybe some others as well, but that was the major thing for this release. It's also quite hot in here. Not as hot as in the rest of the country, but let's have a look what we have over here. File upload page, client factory, and a button that kicks in the upload. But it can be errors on several levels, on the client side, but also at the API side. And what we saw last week is that we need to catch both sides and either continue or not. The upload is actually happening. So let's go in here. Oh, we better can do it through this Solution Explorer. Why is there a squiggly there? Make field read only. What field is that? That's a good suggestion, but let's leave it for now. Let's first run it and see where it ends up. The unsafe uploads and deployment, I think it's this one. There's nothing there yet. Some space above the chat there, so we can put it in there. Hit F5 there. See what's happening. Still need to get myself a wireless headphone because this is really a pain. Why is nothing happening here? It's still trying to start. Let's have a look at the output. There's nothing outputting. Did it lock up? No. It's just delayed. It's really slow startup. This is the first time. It's also Patch Tuesday, so maybe I get all kinds of downloads. There we are, and now we have to go to, what's it called, file upload 2. Still need to put it on a button as well. Page. So I find my font is a little bit light. I'm not sure what's going on there. Let's select 2 files. This is the API where it says max allowed 3 and the max size is something. And then it's checked if there is a form available. 0 persist. Now it's going to we have now it's starting to create an upload result, initializing with nothing in there. And it's going over 2 files. Starting with an empty trusted name. The display name will be YouTube banner 2021 phone. And there is 0 persist, so that's good. Checking for the file length. If it's too long, then it will back out. Otherwise, it will go into getting the file name, generating a trusted safe name there, building a path, data repos, and then in my folder it will happen, go in there. This will copy it in. This is client side, I think. File upload. Untrusted file name is saved at this location. But the other one is already in there as well. Uploaded is true. Now it says uploaded is false, so I'm not sure why this result is not good. Is it still empty? Let's see what the call stack is here. Build render tree. These are the upload results and there's nothing happening there. So we don't get the right results back from the API apparently. Upload is false and then it probably terminates. Error code 5. Not sure what error code 5 was. It's doing that for each file. So let's check what's going on there. If this is changed, then it will go into the on input file change. That's this one. Creates an API. Then for each of the files, we'll do an upload. Let's try that again. There's the upload, but what is happening with the upload? I think nothing. If upload, then it will go into the API. That's the client for each of the files. Take that out and bring that here. This will read the file. Putting it in the list. And telling it to upload. No upload results yet. obviously, because it did not do anything. Where are we now? Here. Create a stream. Add that to the 3. Oh, it's not clearing it. Okay. So let's restart this, because it's not clearing the file section when doing it twice. So let's have a look at that. Where are the files? Go to the definition. Should start with clearing the files, I think. Good evening, Scott. How are you doing today? Working on something? Relaxing? Scott from Denmark. Let's start this. I'm doing well. I'm working hard and learning new stuff. And how are you doing? I'm quite hot here. Well, it's not that terrible hot, but it's hotter than normal. And I'm trying to get the file upload fixed, because it still contains some bugs in there. And what are you learning these days? That's this one. File upload to. Choose files, 2 files in there. Oops, oopsie. That's already bad. File upload page 21. Blazor C# 107. Where did it go? C#. There. 107. There's no 107. File upload to page. It's a 1 page. Let's close that. This one. 107. Identity server. Refresh tokens. Blazor WASM authentication security.net Maui Blazor hybrid. That's a big can of worms there. And identity server. That's a lot to go with. 107. Let's put a break on that as well. Let's reload this. Two images. Also SQLite. But that's probably related to your Blazor. Or are you using separate SQLite? So WebSockets? Yeah. Yeah. Two files there. Maximum allowed 3. Uploads, we start with 0. Just like a live chat client, just like Twitch chat, yes. So you're building some sort of a client server chat thingy? Or two clients talking to each other? That's working now. It's more implementing authentication to it and logs, etc. Yeah, always put your login in. Initializing. Then go into files. We have 2 files in the forms. Started. This is the API, I think. Yes, this is the API. So we should already see something. There's the HTTP request. Interesting that the API is already started here. I thought I had a break in between. And it's going to generate a new trusted for display file name. And it's still under. Let's put a break in there as well. F5. Oh, that's F9, not F5. Now we're back on the API still. Going to create a file stream. And copy that to the output. Now this is the client. Not sure why it jumps back to the client here. Oh, now it's back to the API again. Like a month ago, I worked with uploading files, streaming them to the API server. It was pretty easy and quick. It should be indeed, and the files are uploaded, but also there are some security things that you want to get in place. Like in this case, giving it a secure name. The upload is there, but now my result value is not properly handled, apparently. So it says it saved this file at this location. That's the COD. Not SCOT, but COD file. Should have generated an S up front. Then it says uploading was true. This is probably failing. Let's have a watch on that. if that's still possible. Yeah, it's not possible because that is not active at this time. Because this will check if the file name is the same as the one that we put in, and I'm pretty sure it's not. And then it will go into a new upload result that's empty. And if you get a new upload result, then you go into here. And also it's giving an error code 5. Yeah, that's putting it in there. So I think there's something wrong with the original file name not matching the file name. This is my API controller. Giazo.com. Why is it not freeze? Oh, that's not what I wanted. Now I lost all my screens there. Oopsie. I have to restore all my screens now. Lost my monitor and my chat. Never wave a window, because that will close everything else. Let's put that aside and then bring back my code window there. Yeah, I should do that too. Disable, shake Windows. Oh, there it was already. I guess it's in settings. Really? Do you need to go into the registry there? Oh, darn it. Now it's disabling my stream screen. Let me check if that's... because now I have lost my code window. Darn it. It's a mess today. Blooper reel. Where's my code window? I have to reopen that. My clean desk. Where's my clean desk? There. I have to select the right one again. which one is that? That's what you get with 5 screens, and then I don't know which one is my code window screen. Let's guess. Number 3 maybe? No, that's not number 3. Number 4 maybe? That looks about right. And is that also working? Don't do that again. Almost shaking again. Is the screen updating? It is, I think. Yeah, I recovered it. Well, let's do that a different time then. Way to think. Unfortunate. Yeah, the thing is, when I am going to an elevated state, it's somehow blocking my my screen, so it's not updating this screen anymore. That's unfortunate. So don't shake anymore, and don't start a registry to edit. So let's restart this because I lost track there. Oh. Clear it all. F5. There we are again. File upload to. Choose some files there. Let's pick 2. F5. Going to twice now. We got into file upload. What do we have here? 2. It's going over each of the files. To the file name original. That's YouTube banner 201 ping. We pin that. That should be the same. Should be picking the first one. Oh, and that's not the same, because there's phone after that. We had 2 uploads. who is calling this. Oh. It's going over both files. Gives 2 upload results. That's uploaded through with the temp name. And the second one that's good as well. So why is there file phone in there? Trying to get the file phone from here. That's the wrong one. That's also the wrong one. File name original, YouTube banner. Does it have it twice? Twice the same? It's not updating it. Okay. We get twice the same one. YouTube banner, that's the same. And it should have 2 of these. The one ALP and the one 2GY. 2GY is gone. So let's go back into the API because there's something going wrong there in the storing the results. For each file in there, it will go in, well, let's see. Upload results, that's the list. Then we have an upload result. Should do that for each file. So where does it put the results there? That's within the loop. But it's not writing it twice. Let's put a break on there and have a look. File upload 2. Choose 2 files. So it's selecting the one without phone and one with phone. Getting in there. Then creating a file stream and copy that. Now we have 5 AI in there. File name trusted is, untrusted is the one with phone. 5 AI one, and then upload it through, and then the error code is 0. That will add it to the upload results. and up the file processed. Then the next one, going to the next file. Display name. There's only one processed, so that's good. File length. That's a new name, VHA. New path, and then we'll create a new stream there. There it is. Then it's saved to something. Upload is true. And then this is not updated, is it? It is, but it's overwriting. Well, it should not overwrite it. Oh, it's creating the same object. That's the AI one. Oh, it's gone. And it cleared it already. What? There's another one. That's not good. So I think, where's the API? That this one is overwriting, pointing to the same thing. I think this one should go into there. No, uploaded false already there. Come on, that's a different result. Now we have a new one. Okay, let's try that. Stop this. upload too. No, false. That should be no. It's the error code. Then we have a phone and the C1J file there. And added this to the upload results. Then process will be 1. Going to the next one. Reset to null. This one could go outside just like that one, because it will be reset in here as well. Then that should be the second one, the EM one. Now we have another one in here. C1J, and we have the 3EM. Then it's returning there. Trying to find the one with the same name. Let's go in here, see what's in there. 0 results. Why is it bringing back 0 results? Why is this empty? The upload result is empty here. So this one will fail again, because there's no result that we got back from the API. That's the second one. Still 0 results, so why don't we get anything back there? Let's have another look there. Program. That should result. I think this one was good, but we do need to get the error code in it there. This should be good now. So let's clear all the breaks from that. Except for the last one. Maybe the API call was taking too long because it timed out, probably. I always get hit by that. Let's go into File, Upload to. Close these out, kill them. Choose two files. 1, 2, open. Now we have 2. F5. Now we have 2. One XEV and one WQL, and we're looking for the phone file now. That's this one, that's the XEV. That's the one. Let's upload it in the name XEV. Second one is looking for the one without phone. Now we have 2, that's the one. So that's working, but now we should do the next step. We have the gear page. Let's log out there and log in. Joe at Docus, I'm not sure if that's the one. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, dash bang. We are going to the gear page. Now we have gear items without pictures. Why are all the pictures not there? Did I lose all my pictures? That's not good. Did I delete all my pictures? No, they're still there. So why are the pictures not loaded then? Gear, 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 gear. Gear card. That's the image. Let's see why that's not loading. Oh, that's giving an error there and there as well. What is going on? Not all, because Corsair 55. That's this one. loading. Inspect. This is good. Why is that not loading? That's the DBX file. That's this one. Let's reload this. Did I? Oh, I did. No, I did not kill the API there. Localhost took too long to respond. I guess it was on a break page or something. F5. Put that back because that's now working. What's this? Studio back in its square, rectangular. Here. Now it's back in there. Not sure what was going on there. Just too slow maybe. The image is not in here now. We should put the image in there. Let's have a look at the gear thingy there. Card is showing everything, but the edit gear item doesn't show the URL for the image. So if we go to the model for gear, it should be in shared. There, gear item. There's an image string in there, but that's not on the image page, on the edit page. You should have something like this. Copy. Make that image. Short URL Amazon NL. That's this one, but we putting that one in. Oh. Why is there a squiggly? Yeah, we need to restart. Some things are still not handled by the auto reload option. F5. gear. There's the gear thingy. Let's edit the mouse. The image is comfort mouse. But this one should have something like an upload button next to it. So what happens if we do something like file uploads to and we're choosing to upload a picture, YouTube banner 21. That results in, oh, if it's only one, it's not showing if it's succeeded or not, but it's giving me the name of the item there. Now if I go to gear and I go to mouse, edit, and instead of comfort mouse I now put this one in, but also put the prefix for the folder in there. Let's have a look at the project there. So now it's not in images, but it's now in, oh, where did it go? Oh, it's picking it up from this one. Is it? Oh, it's uploading it to the API folder. So we should get a down image back from the API. Because it should go into the client in some folder over there. That's interesting. So if we look over here, we are basically in this one. Now the question is, can we get from this folder into the API folder, or are we going to collect the file from the API as a stream? Or I need to put the images in here. Let's have a look where it's uploading it. The file path. Choose the files. Should go to the path there. Let's do that again. It's not doing that. Why is it not doing anything here? Oh, need to reload it again. Now it says go to that's the root path, but we have to change it over into different path. This will upload it to the API folder. With a minimal API. Except it also doesn't work, maybe because I'm downloading a zip file. Is this downloading an image? No. There's minimal APIs. Ports. I really think my display is off. Routing. Binding is not working, so we need some stream to download. I wonder if the font is the same as if I do that on my local machine. It's a little bit better, but it's dark mode. Where is it? Authentication middleware. JSON binding is not working. Stream. That gives a resolver file back. File uploads. This is what we use to upload the file. This one. Upload to the server, that's what we did. This is exactly what we did here. Now we want to download that. But controller, we don't use a controller. WebAssembly file data is streamed directly into the .NET code within the browser. Upload to an external service. So it should be in here, I think. Download a file from a stream. You want it from a URL. serving image minimal API. Get image of the day. Yeah, hosting images over blob storage, that's something different. Quick primer. This is an API. This is controller based. This is how it's collected. Let's move back to the code machine. Let's see if that's doing something. Let's close this. Stop that, yeah. Now we need to get the same thing here. get the content root path. Then we get the environment name, save uploads, and then the file name. That's interesting. By picking that one. That's the MIME type, that's the same. This we already have in here. String path, file, my file content type. It's null. MIME type, or content type is MIME type. Download name, date of set, and some tags, blah blah blah. Alexia, wait. API development, save uploads. Let's try to download that one. We have 3 now. Yeah, apparently. Okay, let's go into the Blazor thing there. API. I think this is the same thing again. There's the API. Get image of the day. There's an image. So I'll upload, but I want to download it. Download the image. Well, I do get the image, I think. Should have something like image. Shouldn't be that hard. Gear page. Let's convert this into getting a file. Now we don't have a gear list. We should get an image. We have a client factory. We get the API. That's the file name. That's just the API. That's also the API. Can we get some results to also download that stuff? Accept all. Apt-get file, download file, return file, something. It's a PDF. Still, this is the API call only with Swagger. No implementation. Let's see if Carl has some options there. We need CSS. That's uploading. He's using images, so that's good. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Drag and drop. Oh, it's also showing the image. That's nice. May want to have a look at that. Probably has a repo for that. She's going over the code. Large input file. Let's copy this URL and put that in my notes somewhere. This is still uploading. There's the code apparently. Copy link. This is not getting it from the API, I think. That is cool. I need to have a look at that. That's not a minimal API. That's the API. Serving static files. That's Jeff Rich, but still not an image. Is this a minimal API? No. How hard can this be, guys? Google return file. It's the results, I think. Results. No, where's the API? There. Results file. Oop. API, not IPA. Minimal API. .NET Core. What's the MIME there? I'm not sure if that's a ping. I'm uploading something else. This is interesting because this should be... I wonder if that's possible to do the same thing. Let's try that. Still failing here. One too much. That should be good. Let's run F5. See what happens if I just call the API there. Try it out. Oh, it's even showing it. That means the APIs, that's the API. It's so easy. Let's close this again. Oops. What's the error? And it worked. that's interesting. Okay, so we now have the uploader ready, and now I need to rethink this because I need to download the images from the API. Or I want to store them in a different location. So either serving this from the API or that's a decision I need to make. This is the file. Let's say that's the file name. The gear thing, gear card there. That's collecting the image there. The source is now here. Okay, I'm going to think about that a little bit. Because I either need to upload the files to the www route for the client, because these are the fixed images, or I have to go and serve them from the API. But in that case, I need to collect the images in a different manner. Oops. Okay. Let's wrap it up for today, because I have some other things to do as well. In the meantime, I will go and think about the design for this. Try to get some ideas from others, maybe, and see if we can get this to finish to display in the gear page the next time. At least the files are now uploaded, and that's working properly. The question is, where do we put the files and how do we serve them back to the client? So that will be the part of the next stream, next Tuesday. So yeah, for now, let's wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you. What's today? Thursday? Tuesday? Today's Tuesday, so Thursday will be another live stream, I think. What's the date for Thursday? Yes, I can do that. That will be the 14th, July 14th. We'll see you back then. Hope to see you back then at least. And thanks for watching today, and see you next time. Bye bye.